Hello, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Nowadays, I'm sure that most of us have water filter at home, either it's Kowe, Coco, or any other brand available in the market. Do you know what's the component inside the water filter? One of the components is activated carbon. It's used to remove any impurities in drinking water, such as chlorine, taste, and odor. Activated carbon very versatile material, which has been studied not only as adsorbent but also as catalyst and catalyst support used for different purposes such as the removal of pollutants from gases and liquid phases and the purification or recovery of chemicals. But due to their high production cost, this material tend to be more expensive than any other absorbent. Waste from agricultural activity is one of industrial waste. Globally, 998 million tons of agricultural waste is produced in a year, and in Malaysia, about 1.2 million tons of agricultural waste being disposed into landfill annually. This is quite fearsome number, right? As of now, practically, landfill and incineration were primary strategies for disposal of this agricultural waste. Although some of it were further utilized, mainly as compost and animal feed. This is because burying into landfill is the simplest and cheaper way to get rid of the agricultural waste. But landfills need a large space. For incineration, it requires small area land, and energy can be produced from it. However, both these methods cause a serious pollution to the environment. Let's take example for rice and palm oil industry. Rice is a major food source in Malaysia. Around 22% rice husk is generated after going through rice milling process. Rice husk is the outer covering part of rice kernel, and it is an agricultural waste. If unused, rice husks need to be landfill where it can self-burn because of its abundance. Some of the farmers will just burn the waste in the open air. This can create a problem to the environment where it emits large quantity of harmful gases such as CO2 to the environment, to the atmosphere. For palm oil industry, Malaysia is the second largest country producing palm oil after Indonesia. Palm oil industry produce considerable amount of waste in the form of fiber shell and empty bunch discharged from the mill. This waste can contaminate the soil and groundwater and also emission of harmful gases. The effluent from mill also can cause water pollution. So, what is the correlation between agricultural waste and activated carbon? To solve the problem caused by agricultural waste, which is environmental problem, here's come my solution. Instead just throw the waste into the landfill or burn it, can be recycled and used as raw material, turns it into activated carbon. In this project, I'm focusing on rice husk and palm kernel shell. How are you going to produce this activated carbon? There are two different processes for activated carbon preparation, which are physical and chemical treatment. Physical treatment involves two steps. First is carbonization and second is activation. It's a process which involves the reaction of the raw material and CO2, steam of mixture of gases and steam at high temperature reaching above 700 degrees Celsius. For chemical treatment, it involves a lower temperature than physical treatment where activated reagent infused and followed by heating process under an inert atmosphere. As I said earlier, the activated carbon is versatile material. This activated carbon can use in agricultural sector for many purposes such as palm oil mill, effluent treatment, and also it can be used as adsorbent from harmful gases released by incinerator used in rice mill. As a conclusion, activated carbon produced from agricultural waste could reduce the environmental problems caused by it. It's also environmentally friendly because reproducing it from the waste. Agricultural sector can use the idea of waste to wealth where they can reduce their cost on waste disposal and also earn some profit from this proposed solution. Thank you.